Maestro will now be able to generate knowledge checks that allow learners to evaluate their learning progress and better retain freshly acquired knowledge. Let me show you. At Degreed, we use pathways to make sure everyone in the company knows how to talk about upcoming product launches. So here, I have already created a pathway for the launch of Maestro quizzes. There's a video of me presenting this feature, and I've also included a pitch coach to help our salespeople prepare for customer meetings. But now I also want to make sure that everyone is aware of the relevant details and retains that knowledge. So let me work with Maestro to generate a quiz on this. For this, I will go to Maestro Studio and ask to generate a quiz. Maestro already knows a lot of the context, like the company that I work for, and ensures that the resulting quiz is tailored to this context. In order to provide Maestro with the specific information to create a quiz on this new feature, I will provide it with our solution brief and product documentation, the same information that I present in the video that's included in the pathway. Now, Maestro has generated a set of over 30 questions, varying in difficulty. I can easily verify these questions, make changes, or simply add or remove questions. Just as with our conversational experiences, I can also run through a preview of the quiz. And over in the pathway, I can just add the quiz as a step. Let's see how this looks in action. Adding a new step, a quiz now shows up just like any other learning object. So with just one more click, I've added it into the pathway, which I can now assign to everyone in our sales organization. And here's how that quiz will then show up for the learner. Right on my homepage, Degreed shows me the assigned pathway on Maestro. I've already completed my pitch practice and watched a video that walks me through how to position Maestro with customers. In a matter of just minutes, I was able to generate an entirely new quiz. Note that I wasn't just generating questions. That I could do in ChatGPT or Copilot. I covered the entire workflow from authoring all the way to assigning it to users in a pathway. Of course, the work doesn't stop here. Let's take a look at how we report on the results of a quiz. Not only do I get to see the results for each user as well as a tabular aggregate, but Maestro also summarizes these results for me, alerting me to gaps amongst learners. Here, our salespeople seem to be struggling with some of the questions on pricing. Clearly, that's something that I should better address in the pathway. Authoring knowledge checks and quizzes like this used to take hours or even days. Here, we've been able to generate a quiz that's ready to use in just minutes. Quizzes are a great way to better understand the effectiveness of your learning and help you pinpoint needs. And they are an interactive new way for learners to engage with content. We hope you're as excited about this new feature as we are.